Okay, I believe today is going to be departure day. We've got another clear, beautiful day. Winds are down again this morning. It's awesome. A streak of about 4 mornings in a row with no wind. It's cool out. I believe it's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. A little chilly. The sun is coming up here and warming things up. Feels good. Have been here for 7 days. Went by really fast. It's hard to believe I've been here a full week. I honestly could stay longer, but I just do need to get some miles behind me, continue my journey to the southwest. Although when you're at a spot like this, I don't have a whole lot of reasons to leave here. This was a completely dispersed camp. This is not a campground by any means. It is just public land that I came out to and found a spot off a dirt road here and try to leave as little impact as possible. I used my pop-up fire pit, so I didn't have to construct a fire ring and leave that mess behind. And I've got all my trash gathered over here. I'm gonna get loaded into the back of the van here, and then I'm just gonna walk around the whole area I've been in and inspect for any trash that got away in the wind or anything, do a full cleanup, and leave it for the next person that can come out here and enjoy this. All right, let's get wrapped up. Get on the road again. The adventure continues. All right, let's see if we can make our way out of here. A couple little rough spots coming in here. Does look a little high in the center, but this van's got decent clearance. Well, that was fun. Okay, if all goes well, our next camp will be in New Mexico. We'll be moving on from Colorado, continuing south. Find another camp. I'm about 45 minutes outside of a town, Walsenburg, Colorado. I stopped there last week before I came to this camp. So I'm gonna stop back in that town one more time and get a few more groceries, some fuel, water, and then we'll continue on the road. Away we go. Okay, we are making our way into New Mexico. This is Raton Pass, elevation 7,834 feet. We say goodbye to Colorado and hello to New Mexico. And a nice stay there in Colorado. That last spot was awesome. And it's flattened right out again. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah, someone's camped here before. I actually got pretty level here. I was keeping an eye on this branch, making sure I didn't back into it. Yeah, this will work. Definitely gets me out of the wind. This old cottonwood here. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. I feel like having a little bit of privacy here. That little open lot for the camping area wasn't cutting it for me. So I'm over here. This is the dam road here. dam, meaning the dam of the lake. I'm not damming the road. So just on the other side of that is the lake, and this is acting as a really nice windbreak here. So I'm down in this kind of little hole here, this big cottonwood tree. So I think this will work. Get me out of the wind, a little bit of privacy. There's a little rock fire ring there. All right, I'm gonna get settled in. Well, it went okay overnight here at this spot. I did hear a couple cars drive by. Could see some headlights last night, but looks like we're all good. It was relatively quiet. It did get a little windy. I could hear the wind blowing through the tree here. The one tree. I'm gonna peek my head outside here, see what we're looking like. Ooh, yeah, it's chilly. It was 39 degrees when I woke up this morning. Yeah, I got the heater turned on. Woke up about 4 this morning and saw that it was 39. I could feel it. It was warm in my comforter, but cranked the heater on. By the time I got up about 6:30, it was nice and warm. It's kind of looking, there was a van parked along this road here. It looks like they didn't stay overnight. Wonder where they went to park. Ooh, burr, it's cold out here. All right, I gotta get back in the van. It is freezing. I just happened to glance out my window and notice there's this bird up here on the hillside right here. We'll zoom in on him, get a closer look. Okay, well, it is starting to warm up out there a little bit now that the sun's up. Of course, the wind is picking up also. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to move on from this spot today. This was just going to be a one overnight. This was really convenient. I think it was only 6 miles or so off of the interstate, so pretty quick to get to. So I'm going to take off from here pretty soon. I think I'm going to make some breakfast and then get moving. I'm going to head towards Santa Fe, New Mexico, and trying to find a camp spot in the national forest near there. Depending on how that is, I may stay a few nights instead of just a one-nighter. So that is the current plan. I'm going to get things tidied up here after breakfast and get moving. Things are working out really well in the van. I've got the heater on low right now because it's still pretty chilly out. It's keeping it at a nice, what are we at, 63 degrees. So yeah, just really enjoying this little box van. It's worked out so good as a little mobile, camper. So anyway, let me get to it. Okay, we are ready to roll out of here. Got this little area picked up. There's a few little bits of trash from previous people camping here. And I'm going to drive about a little over an hour to Las Vegas, New Mexico. I'm going to stop. I need to get an external hard drive. I back up all my video footage and videos, and I've run out of storage, so I need to take care of that. Take a little break in Las Vegas, and then we'll move on towards Santa Fe. We'll be going a little past Santa Fe, New Mexico into the national forest to try to find a spot to camp. This is a steep little climb out of here. Come on, little box fan. And it looks like I can go out of here southbound so I don't have to backtrack. There's a road going out the other way as well. So we're gonna get on the road here. Away we go. Okay, here we are. This is totally primitive dispersed camping out here. No water, no trash, pack it in, pack it out. I'm just gonna kind of cruise around, see what I can find. Try to get off of this main dirt road a little bit so I don't get blasted with dust. I got a Jeep behind me, I'm gonna pull over. this Jeep past me. Have fun, guys. All right, I guess I just got to get off this main road here and start cruising around. We're going to attempt this little side road here. It's pretty heavily rutted. I think if I ride it up to one side, I will be totally okay. Just take it real slow. There's a smoother way back in here around the back, but this is way quicker. Notice there's quite a few people camped here with cargo trailer setups. A lot of them obviously not in camp, as there's no vehicle, so this is pretty close to Santa Fe. It's gonna be a good little home base if you're doing things in Santa Fe. Oh, I got a car coming up behind me. I better grab this spot before they do. All right, I'm gonna go take a look. All right, so we relocated to a new spot here. I like this a lot better. A nice view of the mountains out the back here. Set up my little table here in the shade. Heating up some water for a shower there. I think I'm going to set up my shower tent somewhere, maybe back over here. Drying out some rags over here. Fold those up in a minute. And I do have my bike out. Keeping an eye on that. That's what helped me find this site. So I might go out and do some more riding today. Beautiful day. I think it's like 62, 63 degrees. Perfect. Nice in the sun. All right, tonight we're eating right off the cutting board. Oh my gosh, those turned out so good. Those beef ribs were so thick that I was able to leave them over the low coals for a long time and get the outside nice and crispy and not overcook the inside. So super good. Just how I like it. Love that Worcestershire. Well, it's been cooling off here at night. I think it was, geez, 68 degrees for a high today here near Santa Fe, New Mexico. And cooling off to about, I think, 37 or 36 degrees tonight. So still pretty nice during the day. And not too bad overnight. That's good with that horseradish. Some of this fresh cucumber. I'm not trying to brag or nothing, but man, I feel like I'm kind of living it up right now.